Hello everybody, I present you classroomscreen.com, marvelous web page with many widgets that you can use during your classes, even a group maker, for example. So you can choose your students and create groups, and there are many widgets. You can choose a background, right, the one you want, or upload your image. You can make polls. You can always make a spotlight on any widget. This is a kind of poll where you can vote by clicking on the buttons or also accessing on the web. You can ask for a random name on your groups. This is all free. I only have a name list here with my groups because I have a basic account, free account. Anyway, you can, if not, type them quickly. And there are many other widgets. This is the sound level, which is awesome. Look, you can just activate the bell, and when the volume is too high, it sounds. You can adjust it. Okay, that's it. You can also deactivate the bell. You can add texts, drawings, walk symbols, so you can indicate your students in which mode you are. You could also use the traffic lights and customize them, for example, to allow tablets or not, like that, for example. You have also timers, clocks. Everything it's customizable. You can change the aspect. You can also fix it on several screens. For example, this clock it's in also the other screens that I have around here. And to finish, you have a dice. You can introduce code, show your webcam, hey, introduce video URLs, YouTube or wherever. This group maker I told you, and also a stopwatch to finish. Many widgets. You can also edit where you want to have them, and that's all. See you soon. Classroom Screen, marvelous.